Hi all. The analytical service is online System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with the company's summary data. A little further, we will look at each parameter in more detail. If necessary, you can pause it. You can look at each parameter of the company in question in detail. We will review the company's current performance indicators with you. PureCycle Technologies, ticker PCT. This review is based on data as of May 29, 2025. By classification, Guru.Markets company PureCycle Technologies belongs to the subcategory Chemistry. 71 companies take part in the assessment. This is very representative. Look for solutions on orders at the end of the video. The overall result for the company in question is minus 8.5 out of 10 points. The average result for the subcategory is 1.8 points. If you look broadly, within the stock market as a whole, we can see that the average result for the entire stock market as a whole is 1.9 points. Against a minus rating, 8.5 points for the company PureCycle Technologies Inc. Comparing the price movement of a company's shares PureCycle Technologies Inc. and subcategory shares, we will see that over the last 12 months, the stock's PureCycle Technologies Inc. showed a change of 100.1%. Against price changes in the subcategory minus 3.1%. Market capitalization of the company PureCycle Technologies valued at $1.84 billion. With a market capitalization of $574 billion, the subcategory is worth $1.5 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $0.23 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $235 billion. Having compared the shares of stock market and balance sheet capitalization, we see the following. Occupied share PureCycle Technologies in the subcategory in case of market capitalization assessment is 0.32%. Book value capitalization is 0.099%. Evaluation of the company's market share and book value of the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company under study has debt obligations of $0.408 billion. Debt to book value ratio is 175% of equity. Company debt rating, bad, minus 1 point. The company's stock price to earnings ratio is 0. Average for the subcategory is 72.5. Evaluation of the company's stock price to profit ratio in comparison with organizations in the subcategory, very bad, minus 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was minus $195 million. Future earnings for the next 12 months are unknown. Evaluation of expected future profit indicators in comparison with the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company's price to revenue ratio is 1,226.9. The average in the subcategory is 1.6. Evaluation of market value to revenue ratios in comparison with the subcategory indicators, bad, minus 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $0 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Assessment of the indicator of projected future sales volumes in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The marginality is minus 12,311.8%, with an average of 2.3% in the subcategory. Sales margin assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, minus 0.5 points. The company's share in terms of the number of personnel in the subcategory is 0.027%. which is 1,085% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the organization is equal to $11,722,000, while in the subcategory there are $989,000. Evaluation of the company's market capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The amount of profit per employee is minus $1,240,100. Subcategory average, $13,700. Evaluation of profit per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, talent, minus 0.5 points. The share of revenue per employee of the organization is $10,000. In the subcategory, there are $603,000. Evaluation of revenue per individual employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, talent, minus 0.5 points. Shares for sale account for 30.8%, compared to an average of 2.8% for the subcategory. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 70% for the company PureCycle Technologies, whereas in the subcategory this level is 53%. The company's actual stock valuation is approximately $10.26. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is approximately $12.21. Let's look at the order table. It is available to you. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all decisions made this season by the stock evaluation information and reference System.GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the valuation of the company's securities PureCycle Technologies Inc. Information System.GURU.Markets, a decision has been made. Open sell order at $10.25. The order was opened due to the fact that the company has a fairly low rating. The organization's assessment was carried out based on the assessment criteria, the Akeem's index. Take profit is set at 7.7. Stop loss is set at 12.8. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the deal is automatically fixed at the end of trading on June 28, 2025, or on the last working day before the specified date. Ticker ASIX is the main purchase transaction. The video of the main deal has already been published on this channel. In case of closing of one of the orders, the main or balancing, the opposite order is fixed at the last price. Thank you very much, audience, for watching this video and for using the information system Guru Markets.